All right. So one of the ways that we use podcasts to generate more leads and actually just more brand awareness is obviously if we can get ourselves onto a podcast that has the audience we're looking for anyway. Instead of paying to advertise, we can join a podcast, share some good content, some good value. Simultaneously, I'll run two cameras right up here, and there's a good chance that I might say something great in a podcast interview, and we'll have it on a clip that my team can then use, and then we can go and we can run that clip as ads, and then drive leads that way. But then we also, just out of being on the podcast, people will come to us and say, "Hey, I just saw you on the Unnoticed podcast." And so there's a couple ways that you can do that are really, really effective. But I do not sit down and produce content for social media at all. So I run two cameras at the same time. So I'm on camera for the podcast, and then we're recording me. And hopefully I say something of value, and then my team takes it, they cut it, and they do their thing. And so that's some of the ways that we use podcasts to generate leads.